Hello everyone. As you all know that stock markets have been playing a vital role in generating income for people worldwide, especially for youngsters in India. Apart from being an alternative source of income, many people have also been using it as a mainstream source of income. Hi everyone, I am Professor Jyoti Peswani, your coach and mentor for courses on financial management, GST and taxation. So, with the advent of technology and with the use of stock markets worldwide, and a lot of people taking it up as an alternative or mainstream source of career, it is very important for us to learn some stock market basics to have a hold on this subject. This course is designed in such a way that it will help you in learning a lot of things and give you a lot of clarity, especially to the terms which are used in stock market. So this course is designed for people who are beginners, who do not have much experience in stock market, or who wish to learn and generate some alternative source of income, and also for people who would want to take it up as a career. This course can also be taken up by students who wish to learn about this particular field and want to hone their skills in stock markets. So this course would be touching upon various aspects like basics of stock markets, introduction to capital market, introduction to Indian financial system. What are some terms that are used in stock market that you might have heard but might not be aware about it in detail? So this course will slowly start with introduction, and then we will be building upon some difficult concepts and some difficult terms. So I'm sure that it will give you a lot of clarity of thought in terms of stock markets, how you can have some basic idea to these particular topics which are in which are basically used in the stock market. Apart from that, you would also learn about some Indian financial system. So I'm hoping to see you all in the course. I'm sure that it will definitely help you in adding to your existing school of knowledge and gain some new perspective and new ideas related to stock market. So hoping to see you all in the course. Thank you so much.